how to find random lives on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can find random lives on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Instagram application and you will land right here. So this is my Instagram here. Now, we know that Instagram used to have Instagram TV, IGTV, and we had this separate option here, and we used to able to find different lives very easily back then. And you would just go to your IGTV and there would be different lives available, then you can join. But now it's quite different. We have reels instead of that TV, and we can find reels but we cannot find the lives. So there is a tip that you can use that might work. So what you can do is you can search for hashtag live. So once you search for this one, it will open up the different tags on Instagram, different hundreds to thousands of tags. And most of the time when someone is live, they are using the tag hashtag live. So that is how we find random lives on Instagram. Otherwise, whenever if you follow someone and they go live, you will receive a notification, and then of course you can join the live. But if you want to join a random live, then you might have to use a hashtag, or you can actually explore different accounts with the reel option. And if they're live, you can just join it. There is no such thing as accepting a live or anything. You can just join any live on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.